my gosh. Hi! So good to see you again. I know I just saw you next week, but... Oh wait, you don't know that yet. See, I just invented this time machine. Don't ask me how I created it. Have no clue. I just logged into Chat GPT and asked it to create a time machine. And it did. You know, when I was a little girl, a strange woman stepped out of a time machine and drew a mustache on me with a marker for no reason. Now that I've managed to invent a time machine of my own, I'm going to go back to when she was a little girl and draw a mustache on her. See how she likes it. So, welcome to the Mindstorm channel, a paradoxical YouTube channel that provides entrepreneurs, YouTubers, and anyone interested in making money online with great ideas from the past, present, and the future. So, I've been traveling through time for quite some time now, and I've seen some crazy things. But the advancements in technology are truly mind-blowing. Things are happening so fast now. Here, let me show you. So here we are, and look, since from the early days of the dinosaur to the invention of the dot matrix printer in 1971, it took a whopping 150 million years to get there. But once we had technology, things started happening like Pong.
Telstar Tennis with digital scoring, variable speeds. Telstar Hockey. Each player controls a goalie plus a forward on the other side. Oops, a goal.
And then, in 1978, Sony invented the Walkman.
But Sony saw something quite different. Sony introduces the only cassette player as small as a cassette case. The incredible-sounding Super Walkman.
Between the dot matrix printer and the Sony Walkman, it took almost 10 years. Let's skip forward just a few years. Things started to heat up. The first cell phone was introduced in 1983 by a dude named Martin Cooper. He worked at Motorola. The phone weighed 2.5 pounds and cost $3,099. Almost. As much as an iPhone does now. Its battery life was only 20 minutes. Martin Cooper made the historic public call to his rival, Joel Engel, who worked at BLOCKADELABS, to let him know that he was speaking to him on a mobile phone.
And I said, "Hi, Joel, it's Marty Cooper." "Hi, Marty," he says. "I'm calling you from a cell phone, but a real cell phone, a personal, handheld, portable cell phone." There was silence at the other end of the line.
That's pretty cool. Big cell phone energy for sure. Now let's just jump forward a few years to the year 1984.
Macintosh speak for itself.
Hello, I'm Macintosh. It sure is great to get out of that bag. So it is with considerable pride that I introduce a man who's been like a father to me, Steve Jobs.
It can draw a picture, or it can draw conclusions. It's a personal computer from Apple, and it's as easy to use as this. Macintosh, the computer for the rest of us.
Oh, my landies! I still get chills watching Stevie announce that little thing. Now we'll jump forward just a little bit to the year 1989 then. From there, technology and innovation went super duper fast. We got AOL, Google and Amazon showed up in the late 90s. We got eBay and PayPal. Then we got the social medias, and people started communicating around the world faster and faster. Then we got to see the world with streaming sites like YouTube. And during this time, something called artificial intelligence was slowly moving forward until, bam, it was here, now. AI tools like MidJourney have exponentially grown. It was just 6 months ago that we thought this was spectacular. Look, what you can do with the tool now. It really is incredible now. Oh, there's me as a little baby. And look at what's popping up every day now. For example, this site that you can create 3D immersive scenes, it's called SKYBOX by BLOCKADELABS. You guys, it creates full-on 360-degree worlds. All you gotta do is type in the prompt that you want to see, and this magic app will create it in really cool detail. I'll leave the link in the description below. I mean, these guys say you'll soon be able to put on virtual reality goggles and look around the world in real time. And this guy, his name is Matt Wolfe. Check out his YouTube channel. He says he used AI to fully automate his entire freaking website.
Using a tool called Make over at make.com. You can see how this is similar to Zapier, where it's connecting all of these APIs together. So what it's doing first here, let me go ahead and click into what it's gonna do here. So it's watching this Google Sheet.
I have no idea what he's talking about, but it's freaking awesome. It's a great time to be alive, you guys. Hey, let's zoom into the future and see what AI has in store for us. Oh no! It's the Terminator timeline. Abort! Abort! Somebody must have typed something wrong into Chat GPT! Haha, just kidding, you guys. We're not gonna have Terminators anytime soon. There are so many cool things happening in the world of AI. But you know what? You're at the very front of it all. The very front. I mean, ask your neighbor or friends if they know what Chat GPT is or what MidJourney is. Heck, I bet they won't even know what AI means. I mean, you can even make a video like this one. I was created with AI. Check out the description below and you'll see how. The point is, get out there and learn some AI stuff. I hope this video has you thinking that AI is at the beginning and that you should take advantage of it now. Okay, I got a time travel joke. The bartender says, "We don't serve time travelers in here." A time traveler walks into a bar. Oh my gosh. Hi! So good to see you again. I mean, I know I just saw you next week, but oh wait, you don't know that yet.